Hello, welcome back to Spot Area channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to change keyboard language on Xiaomi. And before that, I want to ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the started. First, we go to the application that make your keyboard is appear to you. Okay, you can go to the messaging and choose one of those. It's up to you. And you can type for the text message and go to the four square in the left corner for the keyboard. And let's go to the languages here. Tap on the languages. Okay, there is have Indonesia or Bahasa Indonesia. You can go to the more. Okay, choose the one of languages that you want. Okay, after that you can go here. There is have two languages here. You can tap on for the Indonesia. It means the Danish language is turned on for your language for the keyboard. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, I think it's enough how to change keyboard language on Xiaomi. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.